Okay, next exercise. My partner puts his hands up and he basically just stretches through me to the wall. I receive both of his hands. Now I grab the wrists and I'm going to first sink down to feel his feet. And then from the touching his feet, I'm going to lift up and pick and stretch up to his crown. And then I'm going to sink the bridge down to his feet. So the sinking the bridge, feeling base, and then I roll under to lift up, and then I sink back down. So this comes from the Chum cue form, the sinking the bridge. It's a very simple touch. Lock in with the thumb gently, stretch onto your partner's base, create downward pressure. He's continually stretching out. Now I feel base, and then I pick base up and I just put it up on his crown. And then I track down his body to his base, to his feet. And then lift up, send the energy down, lift up. Now my wrist is rolling to lift up and rolling to sink down, as are my joints. As I'm doing this, I have rotation, 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 as I soften and sink down. And a reverse rotation to bring everything up, and so forth. So the spinning of the joints, the levers, the softening, sinking the joints to create the upward and downward force. Very important that your partner stretches so that you're connecting into his facial web. So he just projects and stretches through me, and that when I meet his stretch, I stretch into him and then soften into his base and up onto his crown. If he's dead weighted and sort of like a floppy dead fish sort of person, you're not going to find what you're looking for. Once you know what you're looking for, you'll be able to practice on that type of person. But the absolute beginner needs a stretch connection from your base to your partner's base. That elastic quality needs to be there. Otherwise, you won't be able to feel what is the fascia, what is the elasticity of the body, what does it mean to train internally. We're using elasticity rather than muscle tension. Okay, thank you for your time. See you on the next video.